Listen to it.
Oh my god. Well, that gutter came completely off even.
Look it out in the yard. Yeah, I got it. Oh my gosh, it's the biggest hail I've ever seen. It knocked our gutter off. It was so powerful.